Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how to braid French or Dutch braids. By the end of the video, if you like what you see, please subscribe, comment and give me a thumbs up. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. I will be using Yaki braids, combs and hair gel on washed and well moisturized hair. The first thing to do is to section 2 equal parts. Please note that you can section or part the hair anyhow. I will then apply the Dark and Lovely gel to assist me with creating a neat and straight line. Oh, another thing is if the hair is short, you can section more lines to have 3, 4, 5 or more lines. And another thing is even one line can be braided if the hair is long enough. So another interesting thing is I asked my Instagram followers what is the name of this hairstyle in their home languages, and I got very interesting answers or response. The first one is Zulu. It's called Isbaca. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And then another one in Xitsonga is Shinzeni. And then I got a response as well in Venda, Chivenda, which is Kwantayanga Ngomu, and myself I know it as Mulokowanga Ngomu. So guys, please let me know on the comment box what you call this hairstyle in your own languages. I think that will be interesting to know. So here I'm just applying the hair gel to slick down the hair. You can apply any of your favorite hair gels, age controls, even those expensive ones, you know, you can use those. So this is the size of the hairpiece I'll be using, and this is how I will be attaching it on the natural hair. So please note that here you can use any method to start the braids. So since I will be using hair extensions, I will start by separating some hair. Then you can reduce the size of the natural hair if you want. I'm taking a lot of hair because she's scared of losing her hairline. I will start as if like I'm braiding braids with 3 strands, then start adding natural hair. While adding natural hair, I will make sure that what I add on my left hand side is almost equal to what I add on my right hand side. For thickness, I will feed in some hairpiece or fiber, then continue stitching. Basically, I create a line with my fingers, then take the natural hair and then mix it with the strand on my right hand side and then exchange it with the one in the middle. Then do the same thing on my left hand side. Another important thing is that while braiding, ensure that the hair is not loose. If you think this method is difficult, I have other 2 methods for you which I will be sharing in the future. So please make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any upload. While braiding, also make sure that you will always have hair on both sides, that is the right and the left hand. So that should be balanced throughout. This will help when you reach at the back. So I will then keep repeating the steps that I've mentioned before. So please keep watching so that you can see exactly how I do the stitching or braiding. When I'm done braiding the natural hair, I will then extend the hair so that the braid can be long. And that will be followed by cutting the excess fiber for neatness. Then she will be ready to rock her French braids, aka ispaca, shinzeni, mloko wa ngangomu or kwanta ya ngangomu, and Dutch braids, and many more names you mentioned on the comment box. Thank you guys. Please also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. I will then see you in the next video. Bye.